Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial on Catia V5 basics, and in today's tutorial I will show you how you can sketch different profile for circles. So let's just start from mechanical design, part design. Name it exercise 6. Select any of the planes, go for a sketch. Now as you can see, we have circle profiles, then 3-point circle using coordinates, tritangent, 3-point arc, starting with limits, and then simple arc. So I will explain all of these one by one. So first start from simple circle. You can just select it, left click your mouse, drag it, and then left click again. So this is simple circle. Just select, left click and drag, and then left click again. Now the next one is 3-point circle. So for that, click once, then click again, and then click once more. I will show you. Click once, click again, and then click 3 times. So for this 3-point circle, you need to click 3 times, and then your circle is done. Circle using coordinates is basically, it takes your x and y axis. So let it be 0 0 and radius 10. So it will be done in the origin. So see, you will get this once more. This time we'll increase the radius to 60. So as you can see, it takes the coordinates. So if I change the coordinates to 55, then 23, and then 60, so this, it takes the center as the coordinates, and then takes the radius of the circle from there. So next one is tritangent circle. Just select it. So after selecting it, you need to select 3 lines or points or any other profile. So 1, 2, and 3. So your the third three tritangent circle will be tangent to all the selected lines or points or profile. So I'll show you once more. Select this 1, 2, and then 3. So as you can see, the last okay, this one, 3-point arcs. 3-point arc is very simple. Just you can click anywhere, and then 3rd time. Simple. First click, second click, 3rd click. This is 3-point arc. Now the next one is 3-point arc with limits. So first point, second point, and then 3rd point. So you can see there is a difference between 3-point and 3-point with limits, as you can see. You can use in different profiles. So 1 click, second click, 1 click, second click, 3rd click, and the last one is arc. So for arc, you can click anywhere, then drag your mouse, then drag again, and your arc is done. Now to give the dimensions, just select the constraints and you can give whatever dimensions you want. So this is all about the circle profiles. I hope you guys like this video. If you have any doubts, make sure to comment down below, and we'll see you in the next video. Keep subscribed. Thank you so much, and peace.